Hello, in this video I'll teach you how to reset your Urbanears Luma, and you start off by opening up the case here and then holding 10 seconds here at the earbuds to start the reset. And there you go. Once you have them 10 seconds here, you remove them out of the case. And then you have them in your ears, and then you tap twice here on the touch function. And that will reset your earbuds. But to make sure that they actually are reset, you also need to go into your Bluetooth settings with your mobile phone, as you see here. And then you need to remove the Bluetooth connection. And once that is set, you put them back in the case, and then hopefully your earbuds will be reset. If you miss this step, the resetting process might not work. And once you've done that, you remove them from the case again. And you can see here, they're blinking blue here. Then you go to your settings on your mobile phone. And here you see that we have two different Urbanears Luma. So you have to choose one of them, and hopefully that will be the right one so that your earbuds are synchronized. Try this one here. And then start listening and see if that's the correct one. If you get to this point and you have tried to connect to both earbuds but only one, you're only having sound coming from one, then you just need to restart this process and choose the other options. So hopefully that fixed your issues with Urbanears Luma. If you have any comments or suggestions or questions, you can just ask me in the comments and I will try to answer them. Thank you.